Okay, so this is a matte cupboard. Now, there is no other way to clean a matte cupboard than like this. This is the easiest way. And I tell you why. A matte cupboard has like 5,000 grooves, little dints, where everything sits in, meaning your fingers, any food, it just sits in. So you'll see me. The degreaser has gone into the grooves. I sprayed the whole drawer in mist form. The degreaser has gone into the grooves, right? It's gone right in and it's lifted the grime out. So now all I'm doing is like I'm agitating the drawer or the surface. Let's say the surface. So imagine you've got foundation all over your face and then I spray a product to lift it all off and then I'm just agitating it. You can imagine how it's all going to come off, right? And the microfiber cloth holds on to everything. So I actually don't need to remove the product because that is what the cloth is doing right now. That's it. It all sticks into those fingers. Now, with my 100% you need to do this or use your Shyn polish cloth. What I'm about to do next is I'm going to wipe it dry with the Ultimate Shyn cloth. Now you'll see really light, really light. Really light. I'm just drying it. It's going to dry streak free. You must wipe it dry. If you've got a glass cloth, you can use that as well. And you'll see this is going to dry streak free, perfect, perfect. I don't have to keep wiping it. I just want to show you on camera that it dries streak free. I don't want to leave you going, what's that mark over here? Now, in 11 years, there has been no other way that I don't have to do things 10 times. See, unless there's a more build-up of oil. So the other solution is you clean it, not with a microfiber, but with a magic eraser. Now, I didn't believe that I had to do this. I could have maybe sprayed a little bit more degreaser to really target that area, but I would be guessing it's fingers from the cooking, right? Which is right next to the oven. So there might be a little bit. But that's all you needed to do. Shyn Degreaser, it was all marked before. Look at that. Not one streak on it.